Yeah guys, today we'll be doing a dash cap install on our 1989 FJ62 Landcruiser. We purchased the dash cap through Cruiser Core. Seemed to be pretty good fit and finish. This is our second one we've done. Both of them we'd have to use a little bit of adhesive to kind of hold it in place, but both factory dash covers we used were pretty cracked. I've been running this one now for about 6 or 7 months, and it seems to really been holding it pretty well to the sun and really everyday use. We didn't have too many issues. We kind of had to put some additional weight in places to kind of get it to adhere, but otherwise it was a pretty clean install. You can see here that it really came out pretty well. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching.